Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the Wi-Fi signal strength between the Realme X2 device versus the Honor 9X phone. So let's check which device has the better Wi-Fi signals and Wi-Fi signal strength, and which can recognize more Wi-Fi networks side by side. So I'll be comparing both the phones right now, the Realme X2 and the Honor 9X device. So if you're first time watching this video, subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of various smartphones like Realme X2 and the Honor 9X device. So where I uploaded plenty of videos on the Realme X2 device, so you can check the links in description for the playlist. So now let me get back to the test and comparison side by side. So you can find this application Wi-Fi Man in the Google Play Store. So right now you can see guys a number of Wi-Fi signals in both the phones. So before showing the application, let me show you the actual Wi-Fi inbuilt Wi-Fi settings. So you can compare side by side how many signals you are getting right now. So both the phones are capable of 2.5 GHz and 5 GHz. So right now you can see friends, Realme X2 and Honor 9X device, how many signals are recognized. And even the Honor 9X is pretty good in terms of the recognizing the signal, as you can see here. Even the signal strength is pretty good when compared with the Realme X2 as well. You can see sometimes green. So overall friends, in terms of the signal strength, I feel Realme X2 has got slightly advantage. It's a little bit of advantage than the Honor 9X device. There's nothing wrong with the Honor 9X phone. Signal strength is very good in the device. There's no problem at all. So this is the overall comparison side by side in terms of the Wi-Fi signal strength. And the main advantage with the Realme X2 is that you'll get the dual Wi-Fi connection as well. So which I did a separate video on that. You can check the links in description for that. So this is the advantage, and there is also a Wi-Fi tethering option as well in the Realme X2 device, which is very good. So which I used to use this kind of Wi-Fi tethering to connect other smartphones which has very poor Wi-Fi signals. So overall guys, in terms of the Wi-Fi signal strength, the Realme X2 is slightly winner than the Honor 9X phone in terms of the recognizing more networks currently, as you can see here, when compared with the Honor 9X. So overall friends, for more videos, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.